He changed the fuse board, he got all the downlights nice and straight, and all the switches in, and he was NAPIT registered, so he was able to give him the Part P. But, so this is happening more and more in the electrical industry. I don't know if it's happening in the other trades, but I'd assume it is. So sit tight, this is a little bit of a story. I've got a friend that had an extension done, a beautiful, quite a big extension. There was extended to the kitchen downstairs and a bedroom and an ensuite upstairs. And the builder wanted to use their own electrician. The customer, who was my friend, said, oh, I've got an electrician, I know I want to use that. But the builder come back, said, well, we're not going to knock off what your electrician wants. It's too much. Our electrician can do it for cheaper. So I said to my mate, go for it, do it. I'll come round and have a look later on. It might be more convenient. The guy might be doing it cheaper because he works with them all the time. I don't want to work with a builder. He's a knob. So my mate, he was sending me photos all the way through the process saying, Ben, is this right? Ben, is that right? I said, it's completely fine. It's normal. Don't worry about it. Worry about the finished product. Looks like he's doing a good job. He's capping the cables. He's got the right size boxes and things like that. He's doing exactly what you want. Don't worry. It's going to be fine. So then the day come where it is all done and dusted and signed off, and he got all the certificates and everything. But he said, Ben, do you mind if you come round just to have a little look, because I'm not 100% sure what this guy's done here. So I'll go around there, take a little look. First things first, take the board cover off. He changed the board as well, this guy, so I took the board cover off. It was beautiful. He'd done a good job. It looked nice. It had the right stickers on there for mixed wiring colours. It looked spot on. I thought, why did you call me up thinking you had a problem? Come and have a look. Right, so the spotlights, yeah, they were spot on, but the sockets and switches were at different heights to the rest of the house. I said, why has he done that? Well, we did ask him to put it the same height, but he said the new regulation, you've got to have them at this height. Yes, possibly if it's a whole new build that you're doing, but if you're doing an extension, you can follow suit with what's in the rest of the house. You can do them at the same height. It's fine. It's a regulation that can be used. If it's an existing house with the sockets and switches, so now that wall had two sockets one level, and in the extension, it had two sockets another level, and the switches were lower, which I get, yes, but if that guy just knew that it'd be fine, or if the customer said, no, put them at the same height as the rest of the house, because that wall will look normal rather than freaking stupid now. But the downlights they'd put in as well, the downlights, I don't know, I've seen loads of downlights. I've tried the different downlights from the wholesalers, and I've settled for the ones that I use now, which are the bell fittings, are colour selectable. These ones were sort of all enclosed, and well, basically they were from Amazon, let's be honest. And he banged over 40 grand on this extension. You would have thought, rather than getting a box set of, I don't know, 10 downlights, what you get off Amazon, and spend 12, 15 quid a piece for decent fittings, it wouldn't be a big deal. And this is the thing, I don't know whether it was the electrician that said, put these in, these are fantastic, or it was a builder that said, look, we got these off the back of a lorry, do you want to put these in? Because that's what they look like. They look like they've been thrown over from China. But this is what I'm trying to say. The industry, with people that are doing cheaper jobs for possibly builders or customers, the standards are depreciating. Like the switch heights, that would wind me up. And the thing is, the customer said as well, my mate, he said this guy, he was a nice lad. He was polite, and to be honest, he tidied it up after himself. I said, well, that's a bonus for an electrician to start with. But what would you do? Would you call up this electrician and say, look, mate, this is just a word of the wise, maybe a bit, what do you call it, intimidating to him, being a bit of a dick myself, say, look, you can do this, mate, you can put the switch heights at different heights to help him in the future, or you just let him roll and keep doing work for people and then walking away upset?